Hey yo, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Raymond of Greeley, Colorado. We recently turned in a claim for a hail damaged roof. Only after, of course, witnessing multiple neighbors receive entire roofs did we even consider maybe there's something wrong with ours as well. I learned some valuable information from local roofing companies in our area about this insurance company. I wish I would have known this information 20 years ago. The insurance company said before they even came out and looked at our house, it's probably just normal wear and tear. Oh, come on, insurance company. You can do better than that. That was on a phone conversation. They came out and came to the conclusion they'd replace a whole 4 shingles damaged from wind. Yeah, after 7 other families that did not have the same insurance company, they had their entire roofs replaced. Thanks for nothing, insurance company. I'm telling you guys this, right? Like, don't believe the insurance company that says you don't have damage when there's evidence of damage all around you with your neighbors, commercial properties, multifamily HOAs. There is damage most likely. You just have somebody licensed like Bellator Claims Resolution to come to your property and take a look and see what's actually happening. Our interests as public insurance adjusters are aligned with your interests as policyholders and property owners. Okay? If there is damage, I will find it and we will figure it out together and move forward. If there isn't damage, I'm not going to tell you to make a claim, or I'm not going to tell you to push it further. It doesn't do us any good. It wastes your time, it wastes our time. Our interests are aligned. So let me ask you this. Is your interest aligned with the insurance company? No, because if they pay your claim, they lose money. That's their whole business model. The lower they pay your claim, or if they deny your claim completely, they make money by doing that. And they make more money by denying legitimate claims, or delaying legitimate claims, or diminishing, which is underpaying legitimate claims. And that's their business model. They make money because they're for-profit corporations. And it's unfortunate, but a lot of these big for-profit corporation insurance companies are there to appease their shareholders more than their policyholders. What? Right? So if you have a commercial property, an industrial property, a residential, a multifamily HOA or condo association, or an apartment complex, and you need help because the insurance company is not doing what's right and not paying your claim fairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.